welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a great song here from Cheat Codes and Russell Dickerson. This one is called I Remember. So it goes in one chord progression through the entire song, and we love that. It's great. We don't have to think that much. We can just play and have fun and play a great song like this one, I Remember. So we need to start with capo here on the 2nd fret. And with that, we have 4 different chords to handle. So let's look at the chords. We'll start with G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B. This time, okay, because we need this open. And the 3rd E. Usually we play 3rd B as well. This time it's open. All right. Next chord will be B minor. So a bar here on the 2nd fret from the A string and down. And the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. 3rd chord is D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And the final chord is A. Okay? So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And I just want to mention, when we are playing these chords with the strumming, you want to emphasize and aiming for certain notes. So for the G chord, you want to emphasize the open B. And that's the reason for us playing the open G there. And the B minor, for this one, you want to emphasize the 3rd fret B string. So this one. And for D, you want to emphasize the 2nd fret E string. And for A, you want to emphasize the 2nd fret B string. So it's so you hear the melody there in the background. G, and then B, D, and A. All right, so let's look at the strumming. The G is the 1st chord, and we will have one strumming pattern that goes through the entire song as well. So one round will be down, down, up, clap, down. Okay, so for G, down, down, up, clap, down. Again. So the chord progression will be G1, B minor 1, D1, A1, and then G1, B minor 1, and A2. That is one long chord progression, and that is what goes round and round through the entire song. So G1, B minor 1, D1, A1, then G1, B minor 1, and A2. With the strumming, and with this chord progression, it will sound like this. That is one round. So G1, B minor 1, D1, A1, and G1, B minor 1, A2. Yeah, so that is pretty much it. It covers I Remember from Cheat Codes and Russell Dickerson. And this one is a great happy song. Almost a little bit addictive to play as well. It flows. I love these notes. If you can handle them and emphasize them, it sounds that much greater. So give it a try, guys. Hope you like it. And if you did, please thumb up. And if it's the first time you're hearing Gordon Guitar, make sure to subscribe. It doesn't hurt you, and you will get some great songs. So yeah, hope to see you soon. Till then, play tuned.